Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. Our today's topic is filling in the blanks part 2. Our today's topic is filling in the blanks part 2. In fill in the blanks part 1, we have already learned some numbers. Today we shall learn 10 numbers and 5 number will be your SW. Today is SW number 4. Today is SW number 4. Before starting to solve this math, we shall recall what is fill in the blanks. My dear student, notice this is F, this is 5, this is 5. If I write it in word, then it will be FIVE, 5, FIVE, 5. So now if I write here 5 F gap VE, then one letter is absent. One letter is absent. So we need to find out which letter is absent and put that letter in the gap. That means here F dash VE. Please notice here FIVE, but here I is absent, so we write I. So this is called filling in the blanks. This is called filling in the blanks. My dear student, you should bear in mind that if you want to do well in filling in the blanks, then you must know the write in words. That means you know the spelling of every numbers from 1 to 100. From 1 to 100. Do you know what is the spelling of 100? The spelling of 100 is SUNDRED. So at first you learn writing words, after that you shall learn filling in the blanks. But we have already learned the writing words. So it is so easier for you to do this filling in the blanks. I know you are very smart learner. For this reason, you can easily solve this math. So the first question is 61. First question is 61. Here SI-TYONE 1. So in order to find out answer, we know the spelling of 60. What is the spelling of 60? SIXTY. Now you notice from this word and this word. Here SI-TY and here SIXTY. Which letter is absent? From here X is absent in the letter. So we write X to complete the spelling of 60. Here SIXTY, 60, ONE, 1, 61. Okay, our first one is done. Next we shall learn our second number. Here 95. What is the spelling of 95? NINE, 9, 90. But here FI-E, 5. What is the spelling of 5? FIVE. Which letter is absent? You can easily find this from this spelling. FI-E, FIVE. So V is absent. So we write this V in the gap. That means FIVE, 5. So our second one is done. Next we shall learn our third number. Here it is 82. What is the spelling of 82? EIGHTY, 80, TW dash. So we need to know the spelling of 2. What is the spelling of 2? The spelling of 2 is TWO. But to compare this, we notice here O is absent. So in gap we write O to fill up the complete spelling of two, that means TWO, two. I hope you have understood. Next question 79. What is the spelling of 79? ACVE-TY. NINE. Here 9 is complete, but ACVE-TY 70 is incomplete. For this reason we need to know the spelling of 70. What is the spelling of 70? Now we write first SEVENTY 70. My dear student, notice ACVE-TY, ACVENTY. So here N is absent. So we write N to complete the spelling of the 70. That means ACVENTY. I hope you have understood question number 4. Next we shall solve question number 5. Here 100, 100, ONE1, that means it means 1, and 100 H-N DRED. My dear students, in the beginning of our class we shall learn the spelling of 100. We shall learn the spelling of 100. What is the spelling of 100? My dear student, notice I already write the complete sense of this sentence. Here U is absent, H-N-D-R-E-D. So the spelling of 100 is S-U-N-D-R-E-D. So here we write S-U-N-D-R-E-D. So we write S-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Next 91. Here 90 is given, NINETY 90, but 1 ON dash. To make ON dash we write the spelling of 1 first. What is the spelling of 1? ONE, 1. My dear student, please compare these two spelling. This is ON dash and this is ONE. So here E is absent, so we write E in the gap and it will be ONE, 1. So question number 6 is done. Next we shall solve question number 7. Here 53, 53, FIFT dash THREE. Here 3 is a complete spelling, but here FIFTY. So 1 letter is absent. So in order to find out answer, we need to know the spelling of 50. So write 50 first. FIFTY, 50. My dear student, notice FIF, TT. So Y is absent. So in gap we write Y. So 53. 7 number done. 8 number. 64. Here 64, SIXTY, 60, F-UR. So we need to know the spelling of 4. What is the spelling of 4? FOUR. Now we compare these 4 and these 4. Here notice F-UR, but FOUR. So O is absent. So here in the gap we write O. So the spelling of 4 is FOUR and our 8 number question is done. Next we shall learn 86. Here the spelling of 80 is EIGHTY, 80, S-X. So what is the spelling of 6? SIX. So we compared these two spelling and we notice I is absent. So we write I to make 6. So SIX, 6. Here 69, SIXTY, 60, NIN dash. To know this, we write the spelling of 9, NINE. Now you notice these two spelling, NIN dash and NINE. So here E is absent. So we write in the gap E. So 69. I hope you have understood question number 1 to 10. Here first one, X. SIXTY, second on FIVE, third on TWO, fourth on ACVEN, 5 number SUN, 6 number ONE, 7 number FIFTY, 8 number SIXT60 FOUR, 4, 9 86 EIGHTY 80S IX6, and number 10 69 NINE. I hope you have understood what is filling the blanks, and it is part 2. Okay. This is your SW number 4. This is your SW number 4. Number 1, 55. FIFTY, gap AIVE. You fill up this. 72, 80, 97, 61. My dear students, you shall do your assign SW in your SW copy. Just like this is your SW copy. Here you write SW nong. This is SW number 4. After that here you write the spelling FB, means filling in the blanks, part 2. Here you write date. After that you write start from here. Okay. I hope you have understood. Okay, my dear students. My dear students, you have already known that SW is very important for your annual term, and based on your SW, diary marks and SBA marks will be given. So please do your assign SW regularly and submit it regularly in our school library. You will submit your SW in our school library in every Sunday. Your guardians or any other person can submit your SW in our school library every Sunday, and you collect it after checking. That means next Sunday we shall check your SW properly and give you 2 marks for each SW. Give you 2 marks for each SW. To get these marks, you must do your SW. Without doing your SW, you can't get any marks. So it is very important for you. My dear students, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.